hate how vending machines be doing me dirty all the time. I'll put 6 quarters in, and that shit be claiming it's only 75 cents. Like, bruh, if you ain't got bread like that, just say that. It always be down to your last shit too when this happens. I be deep in my pocket thumbing through all Burger King receipts in my wallet trying to find that hidden quarter, knowing damn well I ain't gonna find it because I be trying to flex on that bad cashier shorty, telling her to keep the change every time. Baby, I know it's only 37 cents, but you gotta trust a nigga like me balling by the way I can just walk away from the change like that. I know like 4 homeless niggas who would die for that shit, but me, I'm built different. Anyways, without further ado, a vending machine never eats your quarter, and that's what I was saying, vet. Oh, hold up, let me check my pockets real quick. 25 cents? Hey, you got any quarters, bruh? No. Alright, I'll be back. Damn, all pennies. Yes. Mom, can I have a quarter? For what, baby? I just wanted to get a bag of Doritos from the vending machine. We got chips at home. Salted potato crisp? What in the food stamps, Jimothy? Nothing, Mom. Fuck these chips. Where my mama purse at? Yes. Oh, shit, they coming, bruh. Be cool. What number is that? A4? I bet. Hey, what the fuck? Why it ain't counting my last quarter? Oh, don't worry, bro. My shit got jammed up. Throw in another one, though. Good thing I brought an extra one just in case. Hey, it ain't work! Psych, that shit mine's now! Go ahead, try and press that coin return. I am, nothing's happening! Exactly, I got mouths to feed. Fuck out my face, bozo! Boy, you take that change out my purse! I ain't do it, I swear! I caught him digging in your shit, though. I was just trying to get it back. Hey, stop shaking me! I get sick when y'all do that! Yo, chill, y'all can have them little funky quarters back! Stop! My chips! Now, in your opinion, what's more painful? When the shit just eats your quarter, or that little metal twirly thing spins like halfway and your snack gets stuck? Either way, I'm finna pretend like I'm doing linebacker drills and football practice on that damn vending machine like I'm on the varsity team. On God. It gonna be random niggas walking by trying to expose me on their IG stories, but a nigga like me don't give a fuck. You try to play with my bag, it's on sight. Anyways, don't melt, because a milkshake can wait.